Have you ever been talking normally and suddenly it surprises you? Hiccups feel strange, but they actually come from a simple body reaction. A hiccup happens when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, moves too fast or gets irritated. This can happen if you eat too quickly, drink something very cold, laugh a lot, or even feel stressed. When the diaphragm jumps suddenly, your throat closes for a moment, and that creates the famous hic sound. Hiccups are usually harmless and stop after a short time, but they remind us how our body works in funny ways.